What's up, everybody? This is Will with Priority Exterior Cleaning. We're out here in Pearl, Mississippi today. What they're wanting is a house wash, and that involves our low pressure soft washing system. We will apply the chemicals to remove mold, mildew, algae from the surfaces. Our soft wash system is low pressure, which means no damage will be done in the cleaning process. After applying the chemicals, we come back and rinse. Should be a good one to clean up. I'll do a demonstration of how our soft washing system works. Let's see. That's the amount of pressure that we use. Very light pressure. Apply the chemicals. After a period of dwell time, letting it sit for a little while, we'll come back, make sure it does its job, rinse it off. Very simple process. Most homeowners would prefer this method over some unprofessional company who does not use this method. This method is safe and it is effective. Give us a call today for all of your exterior cleaning needs. Our number is 601-966-0731. Let us show you what priority means to us. Thank you. Have a great day.